Sapphire Foods is in the limelight. There was some concerns with respect to their Sri Lankan operations. Let's find out from Sumit what exactly the khabar is. Sumit?
Well, the Sri Lankan business of Sapphire Foods used to contribute nearly one-fifth of the total revenue, and earlier Bank of America had downgraded the stock because of the concerns that we have been seeing on the Sri Lankan business. Also, that was one of the headwinds for the stock. But post the earnings conference call, if you see, the management has given a strong guidance, and they have clearly said that the situation in Sri Lanka is not very bad, and they're saying that they have enough quantity of the materials that they require in the Sri Lankan operations, though there have been imports as a concern in the country. They have sufficient stock with them, and they're also saying that though there have been store disruptions every 2 to 3 every day to nearly 2 to 3 hours, but the volumes are trending well, and they're making up for this store disruption. Also, they're saying that due to backup generators that they have, due to the power shortages is also been made up because of these generators. Also, they're saying that because of this currency depreciation, the impact won't be as bad as what the analysts are expecting, because the strong underlying growth will make up for this currency depreciation losses. And for the month of April, they are saying that the same-store sales growth have been pretty much decent despite the macro headwinds and the challenges that they have been seeing in the country, and they're confident of delivering a strong growth, and they're also confident to gain market share from the unregulated players, because they have been facing much more problem than a regulated player like Sapphire Foods in the market. And they're also confident that they'll try to achieve the EBITDA margins of close to 20% in the Sri Lankan business, and they have their own captive fleet which is helping them to deliver a strong growth, a strong volume growth, and also to gain market share from other players. And they are also on track for their expansion plans when it comes to the Sri Lanka business for over the next 3 to 4 years. So all in all, if you say a strong outlook that the management has given for the Sri Lanka business, and they're clearly saying that the situation is not as bad as what the street is expecting it to be.
Thanks very much, Sumit, for giving us those details.